At Opus, we also do a lot of testing for tennis shoes. We use the same criteria for analyzing them. We use our um, structural parameter testing data, we use our mathematical modeling, and our clinical observations. One thing about tennis shoes is that there's a lot more demand on them since that sport requires a lot of multi directional movements. And this has a tremendous effect on the shoe. So, the things that we're looking for when we test a tennis shoe is we like to have it in the high stability category. And this is an A6 resolution 9, which has a shoe stability index of 91.47. The reason why we like it so high is that it, the multi-directional movements that occur in tennis increases the temperature of the shoe, causing shoe fatigue. So the higher the stability rating of the shoe, the more support you're going to get. The other thing we look for is the rear foot stability or hind foot stability. And we like to see a moderate to maximal test for this parameter. And the reason why we do is that hind foot stability is really important for reducing ankle sprains. And so if it's real soft in the hind foot stability, your ankle is easily susceptible to ankle sprains. The other thing we look for is the loaded heel to toe drop. We want a maximum loaded heel to toe drop. And this shoe has a 6.02. It's got a maximum loaded heel to toe drop. And this places a lot less tension on the posterior calf complex, which will reduce injuries such as Achilles tendonitis, plantar fasciitis, heel pain, uh, all those things associated with the posterior calf complex. The next thing that's really important and really important is the proprioceptive acuity of the shoe. And that tells us how well that shoe will translate the midsole's ground reaction via the insole to the lower extremity. And we calculate that by uh, calculating the shoe without an insole to have a potential shoe stability of 89.6, and then we test it with its insole, which is 91.47. That's the shoe stability. And the less disparity between those, the better the proprioceptive acuity. The A6 gel resolution 9 is really one of the best tennis shoes that create all the needs for a tennis player as far as structural parameters.